Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about creating table in IBM DB2 on cloud. So here you can see here I have the table option here, but I don't have any table here. So now I'm going to create my first table here. So I just come here and write here my query. Create table. So after that I have to write the name of the table I want to create. I want to create it by the name of students, and here I have to write the bracket. And now whenever I add a column to my table, I have to specify this, how many characters it is, and also I have to add some instruction. For example, here I just type here the first one, student ID. It should be 3 characters, and this one is also the primary key, and it should not be null, comma, last name, worker. It should be 12 characters. Not null, comma, first name, worker, 12 character, not null, email, worker. It should be around like 24 character, comma, city, comma, and the last one, country, worker or worker, two characters. And now I just run the query. You can see here the result when I click here. So I have created the table. It's the full query here, and now I want to test, I want to check my table here. I just clean this and I just type here, select from students, and I just run the query. You can see here I have this. When I click here, you can see here student ID, last name, first name, email, city and country. And when I come here, still I don't have that. I just update it from here. And now you can see I have the student table here. So that's it about creating the first table. So if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.